Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a pink smoky eye look, and yes, I haven't been filming that much, but you know, shit happens occasionally, so I hope that you enjoy this look. Please keep watching if you'd like to see how to get it. Alright guys, we're going to start off by taking Nude Awakening by Wet n Wild and using the creamy white color as the base. Brush it along the entire lid. From the same palette, I'm taking this cold brown and blending it into the crease with a fluffy brush, applying the color slowly to build it up where I want it to be. Taking this shimmery pink, I'm going to pat this onto my entire eyelid. Taking the lighter pink, I'm going to place this on my lower lid. Taking the maroon color, I'm going to blend this at the end of my lower lid and about to the center of the lid. Back to the maroon color and a fluffy brush, I'm going to first pat the color where I want it before wiping the brush of the color and blending it out, building up the color slowly until it's at where I want it. Now back to the creamy white color and a small brush, I'm going to sweep this on my brow bone. For mascara, I'm using Blinc Black Lash Primer. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Blowout Lashes in Pageboy. For lipstick, I'm using NYX Matte Lipstick in Honeymoon. I didn't feel like the lighter pink really put a brightness on the lower lid, so I go in with Anastasia Nicole's kit and use Kitty Cat to put on top of it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to see more makeup tutorials or mental health videos from me personally, just click the subscribe button down below or like, comment, and well, of course, subscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed and just keep watching my videos. And hit that like button. Thumbs up one. The one that, you know, helps me get seen by the world. Please hit that. Hit it, please. You're lovely.